Once you've completed the planning and gained buy-in of your ITAM program, it's time to start implementing. By this stage, you should have a clear outcome-driven plan that's supported by everyone, and you should have created an approach to managing information, processes, and dependencies. You may well be starting the process of delivering the early tactical elements and rolling out the governance structure to fit the needs and the culture of your organization. It's essential to proactively recruit and engage your steering committee members to ensure they support the processes throughout their sub-organizations that have been agreed to enable them to make more informed sponsorship decisions. We recommend organising steering committee workshops. During these workshops, you can provide steering committee members with structure using focused executive level training materials to focus on the key concepts and principles that we want to look at. These include roles and duties of a steering committee member, complexities of licensing and the limitations of a tooling alone approach, and the conceptual models to understand the aims of the programme. A recent Gartner report stated that the siloed nature of roles and responsibilities had led to enterprises struggling to obtain the leverage accurate data for software and SaaS consumption within their cloud environments. This is leading to conflicting reporting and governance standards between functions. Composable business, made up of autonomous innovation centers around the business, are a key driver for many organizations. In this scenario, the SAM service becomes the customer-centric internal service provider. To ensure smooth integration of this new structured ITAM framework and avoid the silos mentioned by Gartner, requires communication across the business to ensure that each and every business function is on board with the business way of working. The best way to do this is to adopt composable business thinking. This will accelerate innovation and modularity at the edge. If you're working with a partner, they must too engage with this way of thinking. We recommend assigning a spokesperson or operational leader within each business function to join an operational team and enabling them with an easily accessible playbook so they can understand their roles and responsibilities, complemented by a two-way line of communication. This makes sure that each department's needs and capabilities are brought to the table. This also allows the process to be communicated back to each of these departments, and the SAM team, along with the service provider, can work upwards with the steering committee to ensure the embedded processes are adhered to and work for the entire business. The SAM function must adopt this service provider mentality to the internal business owner it exists to serve. This will facilitate agility, speed, quality, and cost optimization, ensuring that the SAM service remains relevant as a business enabler. In the Gartner report, it also states digital transformation in uncertain times requires IT leaders to support an increasingly diverse set of stakeholders and technology requirements. Successful leaders must develop an adaptive approach to governance and managing vendor performance, prioritizing the most impactful business outcomes. Composable business thinking will deliver on this approach. Anglepoint delivers a structured methodology for this as part of a 4-step ITAM transformation program that has been designed for large and complex organizations looking to mature ITAM and deliver on executive requirements. Contact us if you'd like to learn more.